kid who grew up in North Birmingham, who went to North Birmingham Elementary, who spent time in North Birmingham Library, I cannot be more excited about the opportunity this presents for residents in the North Birmingham community.
This provides us an opportunity to uniquely situate workforce development programming very, very close to where residents reside.
This lab and the tech suite is a place where people can gather, they can grow, they can learn, they can connect with one another and with others to help them along their path of learning.
Pillars of communities like public libraries that's going to open that access and allow for them to be able to grow and be ready for the digital world of today.